Tell me something I don't know.
Mom, Coda's overdoing it again.
Slide outside the truck, high as fuck. Tell me something I don't know. Now you gon' get your baby mama fucked. Tryna DM my hoe. Tell me something I don't know. I'm pumping low, everybody know that. Posted by the store, older heads be begging to get they strobe back. I ain't on that shit, I'm on that shit, bitch. It ain't nothing. Fuck nigga, push my button, I'ma shoot this bitch. Ain't nobody get no money, want nobody get no cheese unless it come through me. That song coming. I better see 18 niggas DIE for fucking with 1800. Love my nigga too much to this. Must somebody gotta tell me something. Don't tell me you let a bitch shoot up the ugly and ain't nobody do nothing. I don't duck no fades, I only pay with chase. I ain't finna do no rent. When grind up here, be ready to die up here and love it how I love it. Got a toilet in the trunk on the side of the truck. Get too close, I'm done. Side of the truck, toilet in the trunk. Shit on niggas in public. Why you got a stool in the trunk? Cause I flush it, fella. Round with the tool, the doors go up just like my other Tesla. Yeah, I'm slime, but I be out, now I be damn, you ain't a stepper. Tell me something I don't know. Why I hope you ain't no tired of teller. I hope I ain't Illuminati. I hope I ain't probably sold my soul to the devil. I think I'm Mason with all this Margiela and I sell a lot of records. Tell me something I know. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Let me hear the truth. That coochie through and leave your mama know. And leave your mama hoe. Tell them how you lying. Tell them how you fake. Tell them how you lying. Tell them how you got scared naked and I got robbed with your own eye. Tell them you ain't never been a stuffer. You don't want no parts of this lie. How your partner keep on dying and you about lost all of your guys. And you don't never slide. Niggas say they outside but in the eyes. Tell me something gon' blow my mind. Break my heart and make me cry. I'd rather you hurt me with the truth than for you to comfort me with lies. Please tell me I'm not your only guy. Pulled over to the side, shit start transforming on the eye. Cyber truck look like a tarantula crawling up. Seen a cracker trying to read my tag. Got a blast through the dash on a stupid ass cracker. Thought he got him one. That shit so glass, but Elon Musk gon' want to partner up. Don't tell me nothing unless I ask little bitch you talk to him. Oh, you sassy like your daddy, then you stupid like his butt. You gotta watch where you be asking in this cyber truck. Stay fly, fresh and foolish, that's a finny fad. All the L's on my bag, like a report card or something. Common sense ain't so common, even your mama dumb. I like all my presidents dead if it ain't Donald Trump. Sense ain't so common, I hope you got it, babe. I'm in Mykonos, I sizzle hoes, massaging me. Tell me something I know, tell me something that's going to acknowledge me. Tell me something I know, tell me something I own, everything.